So we've had a delivery. It's Wednesday. I've just finished forging out the touch mark, and now I'm opening this new anvil with my knife that I forged. So it's 10 kilos from vevor. Let's open it up. Cut through the tape. Oh, I've opened it sideways. And here is the 10 kilo vevor anvil. And it's upside down. Let's put that down. So, looks pretty good. I've got my, move that to the side, got my old anvil here. Just test the difference between now this one's cast iron, this one's cast steel. Makes a much more, much better sound. And if I drop the hammer, it's kind of dead with that one, and pings up with that one. And this one, if you hit it too hard, will dent, but this one won't, I'm pretty sure from what I've seen. So, in terms of the chisel, I've forged it for this anvil, and it slots in quite well. But need to see, still fits pretty well. I think it's the same size actually. This one's much dirtier. And this one's clean. That's probably just mushed rust from when I forged one. It's been rusty. Alright, so found the tape measure. Just measuring the sizes of the holes. So this one, I'll come over here so you can see. This one, 16 by 16 like it said on the box. And this one, it's about the same, it's 15 by 14-ish. The other one is under 8 wide, and this one is 8. In terms of length, I mean these two anvils are pretty similar apart from what they're made of. The horn, this is a big difference, this is 10. And this one's is 8.5. But this one does have a square horn. So that length is about 11. So overall length, the total usable working area, is about 23.5. And this one is about 13. So got a lot more working space on that one. So, this is actually quite good though, that this fits in here. Because I was worried that I would have to make another one. It's not a bad thing, because this isn't the best, but it's usable. So, and it took me ages to make. It's like my first project. and I needed it for cutting things to size. So that's the anvils. Just do it again so you can really hear the difference. Thud, ring. I will need ear protection, but that's not a big deal because we've already got some. And that's it for this episode. Bye.